Assalamu alaikum students. In this video, we will see some important diseases of present day. First, dengue. Mosquito lay the eggs in water-locked places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. The disease is caused by DEN1 second virus belonging to type flavivirus. Through this disease caused. Now see symptoms. First, acute fever and headache, vomiting. These are the symptoms of dengue. Second one, pains in eye socket. This is the prominent symptom of dengue. Third one, decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. What is internal hemorrhage? The internal bleeding. It is called internal hemorrhage. It took place due to decrease in platelet count. In our blood, there are definite number of platelets. If its count will decrease, then internal hemorrhage begins. Now, second disease we will study is swine flu. The reasons are: first, infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Its infection occurs due to first pigs, second humans. And next, viruses of swine flu are spread through secretions of nose, throat and saliva and sweat also. Now let's see the symptoms of swine flu. First symptom, difficulty in breathing. Second, sore throat. And third, body pain. Difficulty in breathing, sore throat and body pain are its symptoms. Now, next disease we will study is AIDS. AIDS is the abbreviation of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is the abbreviation of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV, means human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific, means its symptoms changes person to person. HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys. According to National AIDS Control Program and UNAIDS, 80-85% HIV infections in India occur through unsafe sexual contacts. Now, we will see infections through animals. First disease through animals is rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. It occurs due to bite of the infected dogs, rabbits, monkeys, cats, etc. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. Hydrophobia is one of the important feature of this disease. What is hydrophobia? Hydrophobia means fear of water. It is called hydrophobia. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. Now, what is fatal? Fatal means death due to this disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before Onset of symptoms. Symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Internet, my friends. Watch the videos about rabies on internet. Collect information about virus preventive measures on rabies. Make a list and discuss with friends. Now we will discuss non-infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infectious and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. First non-infectious disease we will study is cancer. First disease, cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is cancer. Group or lumps of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. Its reasons. Now see its reasons. Consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, means fruit and leafy vegetable in food. When the fruits and leafy vegetables are deficient in our food, then also it occurs. Excessive consumption of junk food, pizza, burger, etc. are some of the many possible reasons of cancer. Heredity may also be a reason. Now see its symptoms. First, chronic cough, hoarse, difficulty in swallowing. Second, incurable scares and inflammations. Third, lumps in breast. And fourth, unexplained weight loss. These are the symptoms of cancer. Lumps in breast means compact mass of substance with irregular shape. It is called lumps. Now let's see second disease, diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Its preventive measures are following the proper diet, medicines and exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Now let's see its symptoms which cannot be ignored. First, frequent urination at night. Second, increased obesity or weight loss. These are the symptoms. And reasons for diabetes are first, heredity. Second, obesity. Third, lack of physical exercise. And fourth, mental stress. These are the symptoms of diabetes. Third non-infectious disease is heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart diseases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. One should not ignore these symptoms. Severe chest pains, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness, tremors. These are the symptoms which we should not ignore. Now let's see reasons of heart attack. First one, smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety, all are the reasons of heart attack. Now let's see the treatment of heart attack or heart diseases. First, bypass surgery, then open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stents, heart transplantation, and angioplasty. These are the treatments. Now let's see what are generic medicines. Poor people do not afford the costly medicines. Is there any alternative for this? Which one? These generic medicines are the alternative for it. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are as per in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. Now we will discuss about lifestyle and diseases. Why these diseases occur? Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in habits, meals, timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasana, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. Pranayam and yogasana should be performed under the expert supervision. See the videos of pranayam and yogasana. Now see what is vaccination. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. Collect the vaccination schedule chart from nearby clinic and study it.